Here. Today, let's discover a true culinary gem from Azerbaijan, Piti. This hearty, slow-cooked stew is a perfect example of rustic comfort food that brings warmth, flavor, and tradition all in one pot. So what is Piti? What is Piti? Piti is a traditional Azerbaijani stew made with tender chunks of lamb, chickpeas, and a mix of root vegetables, all slowly cooked in a special clay pot called a Piti pot. The slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, resulting in a rich, aromatic broth and melt-in-your-mouth meat. The ingredients are simple but carefully chosen. The lamb is usually on the bone, which adds deep, savory flavor to the broth. Chickpeas bring a lovely texture and earthiness, while vegetables like potatoes, onions, and sometimes chestnuts or dried fruits add layers of flavor and sweetness. What makes Piti unique is how it's cooked and served. The clay pot is sealed and placed in the oven or over low heat to simmer for several hours. This gentle cooking keeps the meat juicy and tender while concentrating all the spices and aromas. Traditionally, Piti is served in the same clay pot it's cooked in, making the presentation both rustic and charming. The stew is usually eaten in two steps. First, the broth is ladled out and enjoyed like a soup, often with bread dipped in it. Then, the meat and vegetables are eaten separately, sometimes with more bread or fresh herbs. Piti is more than just a meal. It's an experience and a celebration of Azerbaijani hospitality. It's often prepared for family gatherings and special occasions where the slow cooking process encourages sharing stories and spending time together. The flavors of Piti are rich but balanced. The lamb provides a hearty depth, the chickpeas add nuttiness, and the subtle spices and herbs bring warmth without overpowering the natural ingredients. It's comfort food that feels wholesome and satisfying with every spoonful. If you ever visit Azerbaijan, trying Piti is a must. It's a dish that connects you to the land, the culture, and the people who have perfected this recipe over generations. Making Piti at home might take time, but it's worth every minute. With simple ingredients, patience, and love, you can create a meal that's rich in flavor and tradition. So next time you crave something warm, hearty, and full of character, think Piti, a slow-cooked stew that's much more than just food. It's a taste of Azerbaijani heritage. Piti, a pot full of tradition, flavor, and comfort.